Hey guys, today I'm checking out these dimmable wall sconces that you can place outside that I received for rent purposes. We get in here all the hardware that we're gonna need to do the installation, which I think that it's nice. We get even some manual on how to install it, all the steps, all the important information and everything. As I've said, it's a dimmable wall sconce, so in case you have a dimmable switch in your house, you can use it, which I think that it's really nice, and it's quite small, which I think is gonna be perfect. Doesn't look too much, and I think that it's really nice because that way it has a discreet and elegant design that I think is going to be perfect to place it wherever you need it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start installing it. I'll be placing it outside, so let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process is actually really simple and the instructions are really clear, and what I think that it's nice is that it has an IP65 rated housing, which I think that it's great because that way it defends against rain, snow, dust, and it's ideal for any kind of porch, your patio, any kind of entryway. And as it's IP65, it has no corrosion and it won't have any kind of leak. Okay, it's just a really nice outdoor light, which I think that it's nice because it features a optical convex lenses and a crystal clear acrylic shade, which I think that it's perfect for kind of like accenting a architecture of your house, even like creating a really nice pathway, which I think that it's perfect. And it is dimmable when you use it with a dimmer. As I've said, you can smoothly dim it from 100% to 10% brightness, which I think that it's really nice. It's also quite compact and it features a really nice contemporary hollow out silhouette style, and the hardwire wall sconce can blend with any kind of minimalist style or with a more rugged performance, which I think that it's really great. Overall, I love the way that the lighting goes both ways up on the roof and under it, which I think that it's great. It has a really nice design that I think is gonna blend perfectly wherever you place it outdoors, and I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it, guys.